back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome as well. Today's video is going to be a quick video. We're going to discuss and we're going to put together a gift basket, a Mother's Day gift basket for a last minute request, a last minute order that I received. As well, I wanted to talk about pricing for those who are crafters and make gift baskets. I wanted to discuss the topic of pricing your gift basket. So for right now, and I also want to mention that I know that in the previous video that I uploaded, I did mention that the next video would be one of the vending machine gift baskets, either the graduation or teacher appreciation, but I just have to re-edit that video because it got restricted from YouTube, so I just have to re-edit that. But right now we're gonna get into gift baskets. Now this basket, it's acrylic, and I was just lucky to find this one. I found it from a store called Giant Tiger, and it's gonna be a purple theme. So I'm just gonna stuff it first with the tissue paper and crinkle paper that I made because I couldn't find purple at the Dollar Tree or any of the dollar stores in my area. So I just made the crinkle paper myself using a shredding machine. I used the same tissue paper and put it through the shredding machine to make the crinkle paper. So now that I added that, as I mentioned, it's a purple gift basket, purple theme kind of gift basket is what I was going for. So a lot of the stuff that I picked up, as you can see, are purple. So these items will be going inside of the gift basket. And this is mainly more of a pampering type of gift basket. And then favorite candies. So right now I'm just gonna start with placement. I think I'm gonna take the tag off of this, or maybe I shouldn't have. I could have left it, but we're just gonna basically, this video is just about packing this gift basket together. And then I would love for those who already make gift baskets to leave comments and just letting me know, what strategy do you guys use? Like, what do you do to help you determine the price? Because basically with a gift basket, they're not necessarily all that cheap to put together, basically, if you want to say, put it in that way. Because the items do add up. But we want to be realistic with that. So our prices got to make sense that we're charging for these gift baskets, because we want to factor in everything that you've purchased to put this gift basket together. Everything that you've purchased, you want to add that all up, account for all of that. And then your fee to put this all together, and not just that too. When I say everything, that even includes for the basket itself, the tissue paper, the crinkle paper, if you had to purchase the crinkle paper separately, that all adds up. And then what's your actual fee that you're going to charge? I'm going to take these out of the box. These are mini Victoria's Secret body spray and lotion. I'm going to take that out of the box. I'm wondering if I probably should leave it in the clear case like this. I think I'm going to leave it in the clear case like this, if it could fit. I don't know. If you guys think otherwise, leave a comment and let me know what you would have done, how you would have displayed this. I just don't want it in the box because obviously it's going to take up a lot of space, and I mean the basket itself, not the box, but that would take up a lot of space without looking like I'm probably not going to leave it in this clear case. I'm going to take it out because there's still a few more things to put inside of here. Yeah, so next up we have Father's Day's gift basket that's coming up too. I'll be posting a video on that soon because I have I would say, a really unique idea for a Father's Day gift basket, that I know a lot of fathers would really appreciate. Because we got to get creative when it comes to fathers. It's harder to be creative when it comes to gifts for Father's Day because, to be honest, men are a little bit harder to shop for than women. I think so. But I have a really creative gift basket idea, so you guys should stay tuned for that because I'll be posting that one really soon. Mother's Day, let's be honest, I'm going to be honest, I was really late on Mother's Day with posting a lot of new stuff that I offer, mainly because some of the stuff that I had available for Mother's Day were the same things that I did last year anyway. So what's one thing with good, when you have content and your content is good enough, you can just reuse those videos that you've had from before and post them to show clients what you have to offer. Because if what you offered the year before is still trending and it looks good, the quality of your video content as well looks good, repurpose that video, repost it, and use that for your current sales for that particular year. So that's what I did. That's what I mostly did because I really didn't have time to post new content for Mother's Day fast enough. But so basically, oh, let me adjust the camera. Let me adjust this so you guys could see the full gift basket. Okay. So I hope you guys are seeing that properly. So this is a quick self-care kit, pampering gift basket type of theme. There's a lot of, just trying to get this to stay in here. Stay put. Okay, that works. I want the Werther's to show. The Werther's candy. I want the name of it to kind of show. I'm gonna move this over here. So I need something to prop the mini Victoria's Secret lotion and body spray up some more. So I'm just looking to see if I have more of the purple tissue paper, which I do. I'm taking a piece, scrunching that, because I want to lift this. I want these to come up higher. I'm just going to put that in there and put these on top. I was also going to add a scented candle to this gift basket, but I think this is already a good amount of stuff. This would be more of one of my medium-sized gift baskets. I don't normally post gift baskets as a service that I offer, but I do offer it. A lot of times I have clients that message me and ask me to make things that sometimes they don't see that I post or that's not on my website. But even if it's not posted anywhere, I do still do it, and I can still make it as basically for the most part just about anything you need. Even dipped treats like chocolate dipped chocolate covered strawberries, Oreos, stuff like that. So I'll be posting some of those kind of things on the channel as well. So again, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel so that you'll be able to learn a lot of different crafts and a lot of different quick and easy ways to make money. So right here is a gift basket that, you know, you could make stuff like this and sell it, and it doesn't have to just be for Mother's Day. This can be for someone's birthday as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to give a closer overall look on the gift basket. I wanted to choose a basket that I know that they would be able to keep and have use for it. The baskets that we choose at times when creating a gift basket is important because we don't want the things that are purchased to create this gift basket to just be thrown out. All right, so that's it. That's the basket. It has some weight to it. It's quite heavy, and some of that accounts for the actual basket itself. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna wrap it and seal it. So I was gonna wrap it, and to do that, I'm using one of the large gift basket bags. I'm going to use the heat gun to seal it. I'm just going to fast forward the video on this part, and then I'll come back once this is complete. Alright, so here's the look of the gift basket as it is all wrapped and sealed. And gift baskets are a great way to make some extra income. They are good money makers for any occasion. People love receiving gift baskets that are, keep in mind, filled with items that they need and that they'll use, that they like. So this gift basket, as I mentioned earlier, is a self-care gift basket. And if you keep making a gift basket, just keep that in mind. Just make one that basically will be useful for the person that is receiving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and the notification button to be notified when the next video is uploaded. And I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to make a gift basket. For the crafters and those who already make gift baskets, as I mentioned before with my question at the beginning of the video, let's discuss pricing in the comments. What do you do in terms of pricing your gift baskets? What methods are you using to price it? Are you paying yourself by the hour? Are you putting a flat rate as to how much it costs you for your time and your labor of putting the gift basket together, plus adding in all the supplies and everything that you've purchased to put the entire gift? Everything that you spent is important to factor in for your cost as how much you're going to charge for the gift basket. So see you guys on the next video. Take care.